Your iPhone 17 makes it easy to organize files by copying them into new folders, whether you're backing up documents from iCloud Drive or just keeping things neatly arranged on your device. Using the Files app, you can duplicate files and store them anywhere you want without affecting the original copy. In this guide, we'll walk through copying files from iCloud Drive into a new folder on your iPhone 17. To get started, open the Files app. Tap the Browse tab, then look under the Location section and tap iCloud Drive. This is where your cloud-stored files and folders are kept. Next, find the folder that contains the file you want to copy. For this example, tap Downloads to open it. Once you see the file, touch and hold on it until the Quick menu appears. From the menu, tap Copy. Now tap the back key twice to return to the main browse screen. Under Locations, tap On My iPhone. This is your device's local storage, where you can paste files directly or organize them into folders. If you want to paste the file right away, touch and hold on an empty area, then tap Paste. The file will be copied into your iPhone storage. If you prefer to create a new folder first, tap the three dots at the top right corner, then tap New Folder. Enter a name for the folder and tap the check mark to save it. Open the new folder, then touch and hold on an empty area and tap Paste. The copied file will now appear inside the folder. This is a duplicate of the original file. The original remains safely stored in iCloud Drive, while the new copy lives on your iPhone. You can repeat these same steps to copy additional files from iCloud Drive to your iPhone storage or into other folders whenever needed. And that's it. You've successfully copied and pasted files from iCloud Drive into a new folder on your iPhone 17, making file management and backups much easier. If this video helped you stay organized and productive, give it a like and check out our other tutorials to learn more helpful features on your iPhone 17. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos like this.